What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious boiled peanuts using dried peanuts. For some people, it is very hard to find fresh peanuts. So if you have dried peanuts, you can also make boiled peanuts using them. This is a bag of raw dried peanuts and it is about 1.5 pounds. So I'm gonna start by washing the peanuts with water. If this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that I can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. When I'm done, I'm gonna get rid of the water, then add fresh water, enough water to cover the peanuts. Naturally, because they are dried, they are going to be floating on top of the water, so you have to look for something to push them down. If they are not submerged, they will not be hydrated. The purpose of doing this is to reverse the drying process. But if you have fresh peanuts, you don't have to do this. I am adding more water to make sure they are covered. As you can see, the weight has pushed them down and they are going to soak overnight. So this is the next day. As you can see, they look very different. They are more wet and soaked. Even the nuts are already hydrated. Look at how it started. I'm going to compare it so that you see the difference. So this is a dried peanut, just the way it was before it was soaked. And let me show you the one that is already soaked. Can you see the difference? You can see that the soaked peanut is larger than the dried one. Another thing you can do, and it is totally optional, is to pop the shells open like this. This way, the water and any spice you're going to add to it is going to get into the peanuts and it's going to be tastier. So let's cook the peanuts. Transfer the peanuts into a pot, then pour in enough water to cover it. So I'm going to be using about 12 cups of water. Like I said earlier, this is 1.5 pounds of peanuts. Besides salt, you can actually cook your peanuts with other spices. So I'm using ginger. Add salt to taste. So I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of salt and I'll taste it. If it does not taste good, I'm going to add more. So this is the 2nd tablespoon of salt. So I used 2 tablespoons of salt. So before cooking the peanuts, I'm going to try to push the peanuts down so that they can all cook evenly. Then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 90 minutes to 2 hours. During this time, I'm going to be checking to make sure there's enough water in the pot. After 1 hour, you can check to see if it is done to your preference. If not, continue cooking until it is done to your preference. It is not done to my preference, so I'm going to cook it for another 30 minutes. When it is done, I'm going to turn off the heat and cover it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the peanut will continue to cook and absorb the flavors. As you can see, they look a lot different and they are no longer floating. Lest I forget, let me use this time to send out a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. So let us see and taste what we have done. As you can see, they are very done. So soft that you would think that they were made with fresh peanuts. And the most amazing thing about it is that it tastes so good. They were cooked with ginger and salt, and I let them soak in the water for about 15 minutes. I'm telling you, they taste so good that you won't be able to get enough of it. I am sure a lot of you have had boiled peanuts before. But have you ever tried peanuts with extra flavor? You have to try this. I am telling you, it is very delicious. The taste of the ginger is not overwhelming, but it takes it to another level of deliciousness. Feel free to try other spices, but you should know that not every spice will go well with boiled peanuts. So now that you know how to cook boiled peanuts using dried peanuts, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it because it is very tasty. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.